Good day, sir, madam. My name is Elma Pinson, 30 years old, married with 2 children. A boy is 3 years old and a girl is 2 years old. I'm presently living in Along, Araneta City, Pangasinan. I have 4 years experience in Lebanon for 4 years every 2 years with 1 and 2 years. I finished my contract with them.
Okay. How about an experience here in the Philippines?
I had experience, Madam and Sir, in Philippines as a domestic helper
Okay.
in 3 years.
What are your main duties as domestic helper?
My main duties is taking care of baby, doing household work.
Okay. Why do you want to work again and abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family to earn money for the future of my children.
Okay. Who will take care of your children if you will go in abroad?
My husband and my mother-in-law will take care of my children while I'm going to work abroad.
Okay. Do you promise to be honest and hardworking?
Yes, sir, madam. I will be honest to be hardworking and...
Okay. Do you promise not to use the personal belongings of your employer?
Yes, sir. I'm not going to use any belongings for my employer.
Okay. Are you willing to work with other domestic helpers?
Yes, sir. I am willing to work.
Okay. Are you willing to accept to have your day off set by your employer?
Yes, sir. I am willing.
Okay. On your day off, are you willing to finish the morning course before going somewhere?
Yes, sir, madam. I am willing to finish my course before going out.
Okay. Are you willing to return home not later than 8 in the evening during your day off?
Yes, sir. I am willing.
Okay. Are you willing to work on your day off with extra pay if requested by your employer?
Yes, sir. I am willing.
Okay. What will you say to your prospect employer if they are watching you right now?
Hello, sir, madam. I am honest, hardworking. If you choose me, I promise to follow your rules and regulations. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you as long as you need me. I will work and serve your family. Thank you, sir, madam. Bye.